how to fix not registered on network on Samsung phone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix an issue where you're getting an error on your Samsung phone that says not registered on network. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So most likely if you're seeing not registered on network, that is an issue with your cellular carrier. So a lot of times different cellular carriers like AT&T, T-Mobile, Verizon will go down, or maybe the tower that you're connected to is having an issue and this will give you that error. So check the description. I'll have links to the major carriers down there and to their status pages so you can see if they're having a network outage, something like that. Now, if your carrier is not having a network outage, we can go through some steps that hopefully fix this issue for you. The first thing I would recommend doing is simply rebooting your Samsung phone. You can easily do that by swiping down from the top right, and then in this menu that appears, select the power button, and then select restart. If after rebooting your Samsung phone, you're still getting not registered with network, the next thing I would do is remove your SIM card and just try to make sure that it's not full of dirt or there's not water in here, and then put it back in. Reboot your phone after you put it back in, that can help it. But if you're still getting not registered with network, even after doing those steps, the next thing we can do is reset the network settings on our Samsung phone. So to do that, swipe up, find and select settings. Then in the settings, scroll down and select General Management. Once in General Management, scroll down and select Reset. And then what we're going to do is scroll down and select Reset Mobile Network Settings. Select Reset Settings. You'll then need to unlock your phone and then finally confirm that you do indeed want to reset your mobile network settings. Keep in mind, you can't undo this. And if you have a network that required you to put in special information, you're going to need to do that again afterwards in order to connect to that network. But most likely, if it's just a SIM card, something like that, then it should not be an issue. So hopefully those steps helped you fix not registered on network on a Samsung phone. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.